All right, that was Juliana there giving us the details right there, what's happening in the UK. Let's move on to other markets now. We see Bitcoin started a downside correction from the 25,200 resistance zone, a steady decline below the 24,500 support zone. And we see the market still sentiments trending downward, but still within that greed range, ranging from greed to neutral at this point. Let's look at the market cap. 1.11 trillion, more than what we had yesterday, 1.43% up. Volume traded, that's down 11.90%. We see Bitcoin dominance still sitting pretty at 42.43%. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin this morning, $24,400, up 1.78%. Volume traded $28.64 billion after losing that 25K level. Price of Ethereum, 1,665, holding that 1.6 level as usual, 1.85% up. Volume traded $9.02 billion. So we'll begin to see some kind of recovery in the market now from the sell-offs, and it's reflected also the top alts by market cap, with BNB up 2.25%. But we see the biggest mover this morning, that's Matic, Polygon, 4.25% up, $1.40. Did have quite a pullback for the last two trading sessions there. So we're seeing some buying interest again after all the sell-offs. XRP, 39 cents, losing that 40 cents level. It's up 1.65% this morning. Let's bring in Olumide Additional now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide. Good morning.
Hello, Ladi. Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Great to have you. So, Olumide, it seems to be the market seems to be getting some movement now up, because the market was looking like was ready to go down into extreme fear, but we're seeing some recovery. But it looks like there's still a lot of caution in the market.
Yeah, like you rightly said. But interestingly, if you look at the altcoin space, you see great upside, particularly in layer 1 blockchains that have smart contract capability. Take a look at Stacks, for example, built on the blockchain Bitcoin. It's up by more than 100% for the past week, and that's because of the Bitcoin NFT hype. We're also seeing other layer 1s like Tezos also rallying more than 60% for the week, and that's pretty much because of the fact that they have a partnership with Google on cloud integration. So that also has increased investors' participation. So looking at it all around, the market's showing some great positivity, despite yesterday's report that highlighted the Fed's minutes on being very hawkish. But, you know, inflation data coming out tomorrow would also give the midterm direction on how things will play out. But that hasn't deterred investors from putting a lot of money into these smart projects, particularly those that have smart contracts capability. Let's before I forget, there's another interesting altcoin, Conflux. It's also rallying by more than 100% in the past 1 week, and that's because of the scalability it brings to decentralized finance, and it's a big bulk in the Asian market. So, Aladi, while we could argue that yes, the Bitcoin is finding it difficult to break above the $25,000 resistance level, we're seeing interesting signs that the altcoin space is taking the shine right now.
It's quite incredible. It seems to be altcoin season, but nobody seems to be calling it that at this point. It's just happening, you know, gradually. And I'm wondering, when are we going to see a Bitcoin season again?
Well, I think it's hard to tell, but interesting signs are already showing that things might change very soon. You know, if you're looking at the Nigerian election, for example, in the past couple of days, Twitter interest has even gotten so high that Nigeria has the highest interest based on Google Trend. And pretty much Nigerians are strong buyers in the Bitcoin space too. And also, we are seeing big financial giants also stashing into the Bitcoin market. So that also is creating support for Bitcoin right now. But, you know, it still all bends to how the U.S Fed plays with liquidity, because, you know, the U.S. dollar still is a major factor when we are looking at risky assets, particularly the crypto market.
All right, even though we're expecting elections this weekend, what are you expecting for price movement in the crypto space this weekend?
Yeah, I think we're going to see the USDT NGN staying above the 750 mark on the P2P. But, you know, my take is that if we see a major win from the opposition candidate, definitely we're going to see sell-off, because that means the official, the private market will depreciate, and that also will boost the investor sentiment, because a lot of investors are pricing the fact that if they see the major opposition candidates winning, it means it's good fiscal outlook for the Nigerian economy.
All right, definitely watching out for all of that. Thank you so much, Olumide Adesina, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. All
right, let's look at the top gainers counter quickly now. We see STX, stocks still moving, 82 cents, up 28.36%. We see Engine, not seen this in a while, on top gainers counter. Metaverse token, they're up 15.79%, seeing some price action at 56 cents. So that's how the crypto market is looking today, and that's it on the program today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join us by 1:30 on Business Incorporated for more updates and developments in the world of business. And as usual, you can watch this again on our YouTube channel. Flip over to YouTube, search for Channels Television. You can watch all our productions. Thank you for watching. Ladi Williams. Bye for now.